Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Alison and I'm here today with the lovely Leo.
Hello, hello.
And we're going to share with you the Dainty Delight gift box. So what have we got here? It is dainty and it's delightful.
Absolutely.
It is a gorgeous, cute little gift box. So this is your favours for your weddings, it's little takeaways for your parties, bits of jewellery, absolutely gorgeous. So we've got some fabulous designs. Let me bring that one in so you can see that. We've got, what else have we got? We've got
that green one, that's a pretty one.
This one. So that could be quite masculine as well. So very, very pretty.
They are.
But you can also make it a bit bigger as well.
Oh, yes.
Using 4 of the front panels.
You can extend it.
You can make it into a little square box. So
and it is... I'm sorry,
no,
carry
go on. Go on.
I was going to say, it's super simple to put together. It's literally 2 cuts.
Absolutely.
One of the easiest boxes I think we've ever done. Ever.
I think you need to show how to make this.
Let's. And this is literally...
Let me move these out the way.
Pop those there. There we go. Your 2 die cuts. That's it. Your 2 halves of...
I think this is marvellous. You know when you want to do a bit of speed crafting?
Yes.
You've got that party looming and you're thinking, oh no, I've got to make all these favours. I'm never going to have time.
Yeah, if you wanted favours or party, gifts for after your kid's birthday party and stuff like that, even if you've got 20 kids coming, you're not going to have a problem with making 20 of these.
This is going to be a quick evening, isn't it? Even making 20.
So, it's this fast. Blink and you might
Speed craft now.
Yeah. So, blob of glue in there. Spin that around. And pop that on there. Make sure that that lines up and those will close nicely.
That's amazing.
And then this is probably going to be the longest bit, whipping the tape off.
Oh, I hope you've burnished those well.
I did give them a go before we started filming.
You did.
We'll see now. So, side 1. Just make sure you line that up the side.
And that is the hardest bit, isn't it?
Probably is actually, yeah. Oh, no, not quite.
Try the other end.
Yeah. If at first you don't succeed, try a different side.
Absolutely.
Oh, come on.
Go in the middle.
It's just me and red liner tape.
I don't think I'm any better, that's the problem.
It's because I don't use it very often.
No, I'm not a fan either.
Pop that one
I use it when I have to. When you need that extra quick grab, that's the tape for me.
I was saying to Karen earlier, I'm going to make a meme of you saying no tape. I'm going to find a picture of Edna Mode or even a video of Edna Mode saying no capes. And I'm going to put Ali on there.
No tape.
No tape.
No tape. The only reason I say no tape is because we like our projects to have a lot of longevity. And sometimes the tape dries out.
And if you've got it on display or in the sun or in somewhere where it gets warm and then cold and then warm and then cold, it doesn't hold in quite the same way, does it?
And plus our samples, they travel up and down the motorway quite a lot, which is not the norm.
Very, very well travelled boxes. There we go. So
that is it.
Yeah, and then we're just going to fold that in and that one up. That one in and that one up. Pinch them together.
So pretty.
And pop the sides over. So that is literally as easy. I don't think we could make something simpler. She says trying to fiddle to get this last one in.
If you're looking for a gift for a beginner crafter,
this would be
I think this is a really good starter.
There we go. I managed it.
There we are.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
It is just that easy. And then you can decorate to your heart's content.
As
and we have some
like.
gorgeous ones here. One of the ones I really like, and I think this is very clever. So we've got here a little gift box, but they've also used the dies to make a little mini card to go with it. Isn't that adorable?
That is fabulous.
I really like that.
Or you could put a little hole through it and make it as a gift card.
You could, absolutely. Couldn't you? Gift tag on there.
This is made by Vicky, and she's actually used the die cut to stencil through as well. So that's a different technique. But whatever you fancy, if you want a bit of pattern paper, some pattern paper on here. The world is your oyster.
There are many different options with this.
So I'm sure you're going to have lots of fun with these Dainty Delights. Don't forget, share your pictures,
tag us in your
makes, and hit that subscribe button.
Hope to see you again soon.
Bye.
Happy crafting.